Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1957 Oldsmobile Super 88 that's made in a 1:18 scale by Highway 61, and it's a very high quality diecast car. So if you like those American classic cars from the 1950s, this video is for you, so don't miss a second of it. So let's take a better look at this car and stay tuned. Subscribe my channel and click the bell for news. Let's take a look. One thing that's very interesting about the 1950s cars is those very large windshields that are very charming indeed. The lines of the cars themselves with those single headlights. In 1958 they started making double headlights. Those emblems and all ornaments, just like this hood ornament and this fender ornament that reminds of airplanes, because of all the enthusiasm towards aviation and space exploration at that time. The grille with the Oldsmobile letters, which is made with such realism, as well as the auxiliary lights and the headlights. The hood badge here is also perfect. So as we pop the hood open, we can see this very nice Olds engine with all cables and wires, a battery, and all that stuff that's supposed to be in the engine bay, as well as the hood itself, which is very realistic, and the hinges are very realistic as well. The hood opens and closes correctly, so we have no gaps, no misalignments, no nothing at all. This air intake here is made with such perfection with this chrome trim, and one thing we can notice about the 1950s cars, especially 1957 to 1959, is that we have a lot of chrome, and those cars really look awesome. We can see this chrome trim here that's very interesting because it comes all the way down and goes all the way to this curve here, in harmony with the door handle and the vent window and the mirror, so everything has a lot of harmony in this car. As we open the passenger door, we can see the bench seat which actually tilts and adjusts. We can see the carpet, the panel, the dashboard, the steering wheel, the headliners, sun visors, and all details are supposed to be in a car. So this is really fantastic. The trim around the windows is made with such perfection. It's actually a chrome decal. And this rear window here is very interesting because it was made like this for style, really. So this car was very stylish, very elegant indeed. The tail lights are very nice and very realistic, as well as the trunk lid, the trim, the bumper, which is also very realistic. Chrome, 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 and more chrome. And as we open the trunk, which opens and closes correctly, we can see that the trunk was made with such perfection. We can see the spare tire, we can see hinges, the trunk lid with reinforcements and all coatings in here, factory stickers, so everything in this car is really well taken care of. One look at the driver's side. Steering wheel, the dashboard, and the door panels. They really look fantastic. And the mirror, which is in the right proportion, the wheels and tires, which look very awesome. And the bottom of a car, which is a body and chassis, so we can see the frame, the floor, the engine, and tranny, drive shaft that actually turns as we turn the rear wheels. Suspension, which is functional, it really works, so we have a working suspension for this car. The mufflers, the gas tank, every single detail in this car is made with perfection by Highway 61. So that's why I like Highway 61 that much, and that's why I really advise this car for any collector who is willing to have the classic American cars from the 1950s and 60s. So Highway 61 is always a nice print to have. And this 57 Olds is a great car to have in the 1950s cars collection. So From 0 to 10, I would give it a 10, obviously. I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like and your comments below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.